Comparing my trip from Chile to Alaska, and today I'm going to show you a ride that I made from Santiago to Chile to Pomaire, a small nice town on 1.5 hour ride from Santiago. This is Pomaire, and it consists of two main streets, and it has a very rich history. In the 15th century, a group of indigenous Inca people arrived in the north of Pomaire and discovered that the land was very fertile. The clay in the land was very useful to make potteries, and they specialized themselves in that. And then in the 16th century, the Spanish conquerors pushed them away from that area, so they searched for another place where they could find the clay for the potteries, and discovered Pomaire, located between the mountains. So yeah, the land was very useful for them. Here they developed their craft, and till today they're very famous for their potteries, and also developed a skill of making delicious Chilean dishes, which attracts nowadays a lot of tourists to Pomaire.